Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Kratos in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is wind and wind to create tornado, and then after that you want to add earth here and then add a wind into it, and then add another earth to create planet, and then combine these two together to create cyclone. Once you have cyclone, add another planet to create Jupiter, and then once you have tornado right here and Jupiter, you want to add them together. Once you have Zeus, is that you want to go for fire and planet to create sun, and then another fire to create solar. And then the next thing is add another planet to create system, and then another fire to create computer. And then once you have computer, is that you want to add another system into it so that you would have software, and then add earth into it to create game, and then add another computer into it to create gamer. And once you have a gamer, is that you want to add a game into it again so that you would have gaming. And then once you have gaming, you want to combine it with Zeus, and then you would have God of War. And then once you have that, you want to add another Zeus, and then boom, you now have Kratos. So that is basically it.